Alright, you are welcome again. We are still treating the composition of partial fraction. Let's take this question. Decompose into partial fraction 4x cubed minus x squared plus 4x plus 2 all over x squared plus 1 in bracket raised to power 2. Hello. Alright, now let's go. This x squared plus 1 cannot be splitted any further. Because of this x squared, we're going to have ax plus b all over x squared plus 1. And then because x squared plus 1 all in bracket raised to power 2, because of this raised to power 2 outside, we're going to have it repeated again. So the repetition, we're going to have cx plus d all over x squared plus 1. Now in this time around, we're going to have in bracket raised to power 2. Okay, so we are having ax plus b all over x squared plus 1 plus cx plus d all over x squared plus 1 all in bracket raised to power 2. Okay, now let's go. We're going to multiply everything by x squared plus 1 in bracket raised to power 2. So when you multiply, you're going to have this. Okay, when you multiply, you're going to have this. Now on our left hand side, x squared plus 1 raised to power 2, we cancel x squared plus 1 raised to power 2. And then on the right hand side, x squared plus 1, we cancel one of the x squared plus 1. And then on the other side, x squared plus 1 squared, we cancel x squared plus 1 squared. Okay, so therefore after cancellation, we have the following value left. So we have 4x cubed minus x squared plus 4x plus 2 equal to ax plus b in bracket, then x squared plus 1 in bracket plus cx plus d. Okay, so we cannot set any factor to 0. Okay, we cannot. We're going to use comparing the coefficient to obtain our values. Okay, so in this expression, we're going to expand. We're going to expand everything. So when you expand this, you are going to have 4x cubed minus x squared plus 4x plus 2 equal to ax cubed plus ax plus bx squared plus b plus cx plus d. So expand this, we're going to arrive at this. So as we arrive at this, we're going to arrange this based on their number of degrees. So when you do that, we're going to have 4x cubed minus x squared plus 4x plus 2 equal to ax cubed plus bx squared plus ax plus cx plus b plus d. All right, so let's go. We have ax cubed plus bx squared plus ax plus cx. This ax plus cx, let's factor out x. Okay, so when you factor out x, you're going to have a plus c. Okay, good. Let's go. Comparing their coefficient, the coefficient of x cubed on the left hand side is 4, and then the coefficient of x cubed on the right hand side is a. So we can say a is equal to 4. Hello, comparing them. All right, now let's go. The coefficient of x squared on the left hand side is minus 1. The coefficient of x squared on the left hand side is minus 1, and then the coefficient of x squared on the right hand side is b. So we can say b is equal to minus 1. Hello, now let's go. The coefficient of x on the left hand side is 4. The coefficient of x on the left hand side is 4. While the coefficient of x on the right hand side is a plus c. Comparing them, we'll have a plus c is equal to 4. More also, the coefficient of x raised to power 0 on the left hand side is 2. While on the right hand side we have b plus d. So comparing them, we're going to say b plus d is equal to 2. So we have found that a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 1. So let's find our c. So we can use the third equation. A plus c is equal to 4. But we have found our a to be what? 4. So we can say 4 plus c is equal to 4. Let's take 4 to the other side. So we're going to have c is equal to 4 While going, it will be minus 4. So we have C is equal to 4 minus 4, 0. C is equal to 0. C is equal to 0. Now let's go. Let's find our B using the fourth equation. So we're going to have B plus D is equal to 2. B plus D is equal to 2. But we have our B to be minus 1. Okay, so we're going to say minus 1 plus D is equal to 2. So let's take minus 1 to the other side to be plus. All right, so we're going to have D is equal to 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So therefore D is equal to 3. All right, now let's replace it in our initial. So we're going to have 4x cubed minus x squared plus 4x plus 2 all over x squared plus 1 in bracket raised to power 2 equal to, our A is 4, so we're going to have 4x, and then our B is minus 1. So we're going to have 4x minus 1, all right, all over x squared plus 1. And then we'll have our C to be 0. So we're going to have 0 times x is going to give us what? 0x, okay? We're going to have 0. So we're going to have plus our D is 3. So we're going to have 3 all over x squared plus 1 in bracket raised to power 2. All right, thank you very much for watching. Please, if you are new to our channel or you have not subscribed to our channel, please do just by clicking on the subscribe button, and more also remember to turn on the notification by clicking on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever we drop any video. All right, thank you for watching. See you next time.